Now coming to exercise 1.5, fourth main, second one. They gave the universal set like this. So in the last class we had done the first problem. They gave the universal set like this, 1, 2, 3 till 9, and A and B they gave like this, and they asked us to show the De Morgan laws, verify the De Morgan laws. That is, they are asking us to show that A intersection B whole complement is A complement union B complement. So what we should do, we will take the LHS and RHS separately and we'll prove that both the sets contains the same number of elements. So I considered A intersection B whole complement. So first I will find out what is A intersection B. So I am doing directly A intersection B. A is 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is this. So which are common in both. First we will substitute the sets whatever they had given, and then which are common in both the sets we will be writing. That is 2. Only 2 is that element which you will be getting. Is it not? See there? 2 is the element which is common in both the sets. So you will be writing 2 here. Now you should find out what is A intersection B whole complement. That is universal set minus A intersection B. So from the whole set which is containing the elements from 1 to 9, from that I should remove the 2. So I will be getting what I should write first. I will write the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just I am substituting what they had given the sets. And A intersection B we got it as 2. Now coming to this. So subtracting means whichever are common will remove, and the elements in the first set, remaining elements in first set will be entered in their difference. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now coming to 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got A intersection B complement like this. So let it be equation 1. Now we should find out what is A complement union B complement. So A complement in the previous time we did, we got it as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. How you are going to get this A complement? From the universal set, if you remove remove A, you are going to get A complement. Similarly, from the universal set, if you subtract B, you are going to get the B complement. So let us write this in union B complement. How much in the previous problem we got? 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now union means we should write all the elements 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from 1 and 2 it is very clear that A union B, A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement. Now coming to the fifth main. So let us see the problem. Fifth main. So what they gave, draw appropriate Venn diagrams for each of the following. So for the fifth question, they are asking us to draw the Venn diagram. So what A union B whole complement. See here. So for you make use of the scale and the circle to draw that sets what they had given. So this is the rectangle. This is the universal set. This whole rectangle is the universal set, and A and B are the two sets. Now they want A union B. A union B. A union B means this whole thing, whatever A and B is there, that whole thing will be there. So that complement they want. That complement means I want some set complement means other than that set, whatever it is present in the universal set, that all will come under this in its complement. Now they are asking A union B whole complement. Means other than this A union B, whatever it is present in you, you will be getting that. So that is nothing but either you can color it or you can draw the lines with the help of scale like this, means other than A union B, remaining all parts will come under this. It should not go under this. So this whole thing other than A union. Next one, A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement. So this is the universal set. So from that what we should do? A complement intersection B complement. This is the universal set and this is A, this is B. A complement means what? Other than A, whatever it is there, that all thing will come. So other than A. See, I am making use of horizontal lines and vertical lines. Other than A will be the A complement. See here. This whole thing will come under A complement. Now B complement. B complement means other than B. Other than, I am taking it as this one. Vertical lines. Other than B. It should not come inside of B. Just like this. Now see here. A complement intersection B complement. Now if you observe where the horizontal lines and vertical lines are intersecting, that whole part will come under as their the area will come under A dash complement. A complement intersection B complement. That means where this horizontal and vertical lines are there, that whole thing, that means it is nothing but the whole thing other than A and B. This whole part contains both the lines. So this whole thing other than A and B, this whole part you will be getting. Now see here, A union B whole complement, you got the region outside of this, outside of A and B. Same way here, A complement intersection B complement, also you got the shaded part, that is outside of the both A and B. Here the shaded part contain both the lines. So intersection means what? Which in which both the sets contain the common element, that all will come. So this is that part. So here also same part here. De Morgan law is verified by this. A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. Now coming to the next one. See, A complement, A intersection B whole complement. A intersection B. So this is the universal set. And this is A, this is B. Now A intersection B means what? This part, this part. So from the universal set, if I remove this as the part, what I am going to get? I will be getting the whole thing like this. Complement no. So other than that intersection part, remaining part you will be getting in the complement. So this is the shaded part of A intersection B whole complement. Now we should see A union A complement union B complement. A complement union B complement. So see here, A B, this is, so this is the universe. A complement means other than A, whatever it is there. Other than A, whatever it is there means this all things. union B complement. B complement means other than B. This whole thing. So other than B. Now union they gave A complement union B complement. A complement union B complement means leaving this part, remaining whole things. Means the same figure you will be getting like this. Other than the common part, remaining whole part is shaded. That is A complement union B complement. So you will be getting A intersection B whole complement is A complement union B complement. Now coming to the sixth question. So sixth question what they gave, let U be the set of all triangles in a plane. Means U is the universal set which is containing all types like equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, all those. If A is the set of triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degrees, then what will be its A complement? A complement means it contains all the triangles. A complement is it contains all the triangles, with each angle as 60 degrees. So in a triangle, if each angle is 60 degrees means what type of triangles they are? All will be of equilateral triangles. So A is the set which contains only the triangles with at least one as 60 degrees. One angle should be different from 60 degrees. One angle different from 60 degrees. Other than 60 degree, whatever. Such all triangles will come. So A complement you will be getting all the triangles which are equal to 60 degrees. So all equilateral triangles. Each angle is 60 degrees means it will be an equilateral triangle. Now coming to the seventh one, fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. A union A complement. You will be getting the universal set. You take any set and its complement. If you find their union, you are going to get the universal set. If you find their intersection, you will be getting the null set because they are different. If A is 1, 2, B will be, A complement will be other than 1 and 2, whatever it is present. So their intersection, there won't be any common point. So that's why it will be the null set. Now, complement of a null set. Null set complement will be, already we have studied, that is the universal set. Intersection A. So universal set intersection A. Always one large set, in that any subset if you take, you are going to get the smallest set if it is an intersection. Suppose if it is the union, all elements you will be getting, then it will be the universal set. Here they gave the intersection. So what we did, null set complement will be equals to the universal set intersection A. So A is a subset of the universal set. Any set will be the subset of the universal set. If you are finding their intersection, you are going to get the smallest set. Now, U complement, universal set complement means it is a null set. Intersection A. Null set is the smallest set. If I do the intersection with any set, I am going to get the null set itself. So this is the end of this exercise.